Wow, guys, congratulations to me, congratulations to me. Oh my god. I won 80,000 beans. That is $8 on Taka live streaming app. Oh my god. Guys, you see, some people have been saying that this lucky spin on Taka Life is not legit. It is fake. You will spin, 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 spin. You will not be able to cash out. But guess what? I was able to cash out on this lucky spin. Oh my god. Are you seeing my account balance right now? 115,000 beans. 115,655 beans. That is what I cash out because I already have some bean before I spin the lucky wheel. This is legit. You see, Taka live streaming app, it is one of the best apps so far now. I am telling you the truth. So if you are sleeping, stop sleeping. Go and download Taka live streaming app right now. Their spinning wheel is legit. It's not fake. You will definitely win. Let me tell you, for you to be getting free tickets to win this spin, you need to be inviting people. Yes, without invitation, you will not be getting spin for you to be able to get this money. All right, so I was able to invite so many people and I got so many spin. And today on, I was able to win. Okay, I was able to cash out my $8. Oh my god, without no stress. You see this online making money, it is sweet though. It is sweet, especially unexpected one like this without more stress. It is sweet. So this is what I was able to cash out on this lucky spin. Invite people. When they register, do their face authentication and perform their live streaming, you will get free spin. Yeah, it's not only without them downloading the app, doing their face authentication, you will not get free spin. So make sure that when you send your link to your friends, your family, your social media platforms, make sure you tell them that they need to download the app, do their face authentication, and start performing their tasks. This is the way that you'll be getting free spin for you to spin and win this $8 that I won today. So guys, as you can see, my name is among the names that cash out today. Are you seeing me at number one there? Desire, cash out, success, 80,000 being. So, oh my god, when I saw this, I was so happy because I didn't expect it to come so fast like this. Yeah, it's good to be doing affiliates. Yeah, whenever you join any app, make sure that you make use of your link. Share your link to your loved ones, to your friends, to your family. Okay, I still have three to spin, so let's see what this thing give me now because we are on the journey to get $20. Yeah, because after $8, the next one is $20, and after $20, the next one is $50. So we are going to spin for $20 right now. I still have three spin, so watch me as I spin the remaining the remaining three spin I have. Let me spin it and see if the $20 will still come out today. So guys, let's spin. Yeah. Wow, double. Wow, 92,591 beans. Oh my god, are you seeing it? $18.5. Let's spin the second one. You have left the seat. Oh my god, they said that I've left the seat I was sitting, but I'm seeing myself there. I'm still sitting down. Okay, Let's spin the second ticket. Let's see what it will give us. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god. Guys. Mega! 13,845 beans. Wow! $19.9. Your lucky exceeds 99%. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god. Let's spin the last one. Let's see if we were able to cash out the last one or not. Oh my god. Oh my god, 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 oh my god. Wow, medium 898. So, guys, our spin is finished. It remains on 5 beans for us to reach $20. So, we keep on inviting people so that we'll count this $20. Okay, so if you have been thinking if this lucky wheel in Taka is fake, it's not fake, it is real. As you can see, I've cashed out my $8. So stop thinking that is fake. It's not fake, it's legit. 100%. You can see it right here with your eyes. So what are you waiting for? Go to my description right now and tap the link to get started on this app. Just log in with your Google account, do your face authentication, and perform your tasks. I've done a video on how to perform tasks on this Taka, so go to my channel. You'll see the video on how to get started and perform tasks on Taka. Yeah, you can also be receiving calls. If you're a woman, you can also be receiving calls, video or audio to make your earnings to add up. All right, so thanks for watching. See you guys in my next one. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe, turn on your notifications so that whenever I make any upload, you'll be among the people that will see it. Bye.